Welcome to this short video tutorial on DrumScriobhPro. Here we'll show you how to insert text, music objects, including stave lines and images. We create a new document. We're presented with a blank page. That's normal. If we want to insert some text, we can do that here. New score. If we want to add in or new text, we can do that here. And more. If you right click properties, you can then alter the size of the text within the text box. That can be moved about the screen. When selected, you can also copy it and paste. And move them about the score as required. To delete, just right click. You see delete in the drop down menu. If we want to insert some music staves, again, we click and drag and we effectively just draw out the stave lines. Again, we can right click, copy, and paste these in. Paste again. These can be resized. Other actions, you could send that to the back, bring this one to the fore. Again, these can be deleted just by selecting. Should be noted you should be selecting in the kind of white space area, not on the bar line. Lastly, we can insert some images. Again, we can draw these out, browse, you can find your image. And that can be placed on the stave.